Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start learning ML. First, understand the fundamental concepts like data, algorithms, and models. Next, choose a programming language. Python is highly recommended for its extensive libraries. Then, build a solid foundation in mathematics, focusing on linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. Finally, begin exploring basic machine learning libraries and tools to get hands-on experience. Now, let's dive deeper into essential concepts and tools. You'll want to grasp the differences between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Master key Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. Practice crucial steps like data preprocessing and feature engineering. Understanding common algorithms, like linear regression and decision trees, will also be incredibly beneficial for your learning. Practical application is key to solidifying your understanding. Start by working on small, guided projects to apply what you've learned. Consider participating in online challenges on platforms like Kaggle to test your skills against others. Building a portfolio of diverse projects will effectively showcase your abilities. Also, collaborating with others can provide new perspectives and accelerate your learning. To truly advance your machine learning skills, explore deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. Delve into specialized areas like natural language processing or computer vision, which offer exciting challenges. It's also crucial to stay updated with new research and industry trends to remain competitive. Finally, consider pursuing advanced degrees or certifications to further your career growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.